Hello, I'm Mary Thompson, and today we're going to walk through setting up a new company inside Business Central. One of my favorite things about Business Central is it is incredibly easy and user-friendly. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing is you can find it under My Settings, so you can type up here, My Settings. Click here, and then we see here company, and if we click on the ellipses, you see that already there's two companies set up. There's a Cronus, which is like an out-of-the-box one, and then this Hack for Good is one that I already created. Now we're going to go ahead up and set up another company. Create new company. So what we'll do here is we'll hit new and then create new company. And it sends us through a nice, easy little wizard. So for this company, we are going to go ahead and create another company. We'll call it World Max because I'm creating a corporation here so I can show some consolidations in later videos. So here we'll put that. Also, it's nice is it says select the date and setup that you want to get started. So you have a couple different options here. For demo and training purposes, what's nice is that you can use evaluation and have sample data. Whenever you're getting started, you can use setup data only, which will include not sample data, but it'll have all of your setup, your chart of accounts, that type of setups, posting profiles, all of that. But if you have a lot of customizations and you're really starting from scratch, then you can do create new as well. So there's three different options here for you to choose from. For my purposes for now, I think that create new. So I'm going to start completely fresh in this company. Let's create new, and then it tells you, what type of experience that you'll be able to get with this type of setting, and then we'll click next. Add or manage users. So we'll manage your users. So we'll make sure that I'm listed there. Great, just easier to get started that way. Great, now we're all finished. Company was created, and so it automatically shows up here now, and now we have 3 companies. So let's go ahead and take a look inside of this company real quick. Select OK. And as you can see here, right in the left-hand corner, we've got World Max is now the company. And if we look at things like the chart of accounts, we have nothing in any of the fields here because we selected to create new. Now, if I jump to my other company, under here in my settings, then I can change the company, and I'll go back to Hack for Good. This is one that I just created prior to this video, and in that one I chose the production settings. So I said give me some data, but don't include sales orders, for example, like sample data. So if I go into the chart of accounts here, you can see this vanilla chart of accounts here. So that's an easy way to go ahead and create new companies whenever you're getting started with Business Central. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thanks.